What's up, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Okay, we're doing a lot of videos on 8th gen Civic cars and in general. So I just want to reach out to you guys today. Happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. You guys have been supporting the channel, liking those videos, sharing those videos, and I'm glad I can reach out to you guys, help you guys out, teach you a thing or two about the automotive tips and tricks. So it's always nice to spend some time with the family. I've always had some issues trying to get our families together. Today we are going to be hanging out, and you know, I want to give thanks. I'm very grateful for this YouTube channel, how far we've progressed since we started filming with the iPhone and a little wide angle clip-on lens, where now we got a little studio setup going. We got a better camera, better audio, and I'm really glad we reviewed 2 cars this season thanks to my boys. Hopefully we'll be able to improve on that, get more content out with cars and reviewing cars for you guys. Maybe down the future we can do another car build or an engine rebuild process videos and how-tos, and we're gonna be slowly expanding and growing. But I just wanted to say thank you everybody for support, for watching, for subscribing, and hope you guys enjoyed today with you and your family. And let's stay blessed, stay thankful. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.